Careful, don't lose the washer. There's a washer there. Okay. So you put the washer in, or put the bolt through here. Put it through that way. Okay. And then you see the 2 there. So the pin has to line up. Okay, you got it in. You put the bolt in. There you go. If it rotates back on you, just hold on to it. There you go. Now lift up. Go down. So now what we have to do is just to get things tightened down, because this mark here should be up here. And then that has all the valves properly positioned so that...
Wait, did you mark it?
I marked it pink. They have natural little notches in them.
Ah.
But...
So you just lighten them up so you can see them better?
Yes. But see, there we go. So I got that locked in. Oh, there should be one right here. There we go. Thanks.
No problem.
Yeah, I appreciate you handing that to me.
No problem. Hey, Morty, can you give me that screwdriver? Sure, Rick.
Sure, Rick. Click. Click. What is that? Can you turn off the light? And he was like, sure. Click. Click. Okay, turn it back on. Click. Did I hear 2 distinctly different clicks? Like there was a click that was a mistake, and then there was a hastily quick correction click. Yeah. Come on. And that crankshaft is top dead center. And we already have our valve set up on the top at top dead center. So everything's lined up right now for how it goes on the engine. Alright, well, thanks to my help from Ava here, we got the timing belt on. We got the timing belt lined up on sprockets 1 and 2, went under, and we got 3 and 4. Now mind you, we originally had the lines here, but we haven't done enough rotations to get them lined back up perfectly yet. But we're at top dead center right now down there, and everything lines back up. We've made, I think, what, 3 complete rotations of the engine or so, or 2. So we're good for right now. I think this is where we're stopping for the day.
One day later.
I said, are these 2 the cylinder heads?
Yes, these big things are the cylinder heads.
These are just the covers.
No, those are the valve covers.
Is the cylinder heads like where the gas goes, or like?
Cylinder heads are what have the valves in them that let the air and the fuel into the engine, into the combustion chamber, and then once you have the combustion cycle, it's what has the valves for the exhaust that let the exhaust out of the car, which comes out of the tailpipe.
Which is in the back.
There we go. Now that's snapped on.
It's snapped.
There's that. 17.
17.
I was like, that
Other
should
way.
be tight, you know.
I raised it up. Tough truth. Will it start?
Maybe the engine. See if we even have enough battery power. Battery's too weak. I'll have to charge it.
Oh, is it supposed to smoke?
Yeah. vacuum leak somewhere.
Vacuum leak? Doesn't that hurt?
All right. Go on and eat. Well,
It worked!
it ran. I have to hope these brakes clean off. Temp at least came back down. Got heat, that's for damn sure. Back together. And that's going to do it for the Saturn series. Not really, but it does it for the cylinder head part. I've actually been driving the Saturn for a few months now, and she's running like a champ. So all the ticking quieted down. Everything's been really nice. There's a few little things that I have to tend to probably come springtime, so I will definitely bring you along for that journey. But in the meantime, I'm going to start on the next project, which is the 2004 VW Beetle that I bought for my wife. So plenty of things to do on this car. Definitely not going to be at a lack of things to keep me busy, but I appreciate you taking the time to watch, like, and subscribe if you can, and I'll see you next time.